Yeah, big and bad. I mean, I say, yo, I don't know the one done straight. Well, me, I say, this pastor yeah, claims, he say, him go and get away after him thing when him do. I don't understand. Them preach to it and preach against certain things when I right, and them get themselves caught up in it. Me don't know what make. You see me? But for me, was a little boy I grew come up. Till me turn big man. Me not just half an hour more underage. You see what me I say? So, me don't know. But the world is watching this one. Now watch where them now. You see me? So the world is watching. You see me? So I have other people out there where I do the same thing. You see me? So why look a girl can't get a man? A big man have a wife. You see me? And then preach against people life story on the pulpit and yet still them do some dirty things behind people back. You see me? So I believe not because a man a pastor. If him wrong, him supposed to go in there too. Because if I did me, I'll do me not do it. Them are gonna dash me in there. You see what I say? Straight. So me I say, what the difference between a civilian and a pastor where I preach the word of God? I would remember the story about the pastor when I talk about the bag walk sitting. The man they come in the church and I worship with them and then he come back to o'clock and see people sitting them. And the taxi man came, God work with the taxi man and make him carry him by the station. You hear what the pastor say? If it was an outright thief, he would have forgiven him. Thief a thief. Raper a raper. Batman a Batman. Freak a freak. You know see the difference where a man do something wrong and you can't forgive him. You see me? Well, you see like how them never forgive the thief there. I don't believe them forgive this pastor them. Pastor here we are do. We are molest the mind of them. You see me? Me not molest none, you know, and I will never. Can't tell the world that. So a big woman me say straight. Yeah. No look pan look up it if you call me daddy. You see me? Straight. So that's what's our case there. And so what Jamaica really are gonna do. What Jamaica Justice Department going to do with this one. Jamaica